We are here at the ITWeb Business Intelligence Summit 2024 here at the beautiful campus in Bryanston. It's going to be an exciting event, fantastic speakers and very relevant topics. Business intelligence is incredibly important, the insights we get from our data. So today here at the ITWeb BI Summit, we are going to learn a lot from a lot of speakers to use this information to make the right kind of business decisions.
Well, we need to remember why it is that we actually do the activity of business intelligence. We have all of this information. This is the information age, right? Knowledge is power. However, applied knowledge is even more power. Artificial intelligence over the last year or so has been a complete game changer across the board. We have the data, we have the technologies, we have the emerging technologies. So yes, we want the awesome results that we know we can get through artificial intelligence and business intelligence. However, the basics still apply. Security, great systems, great data, great governance, great ethics are still important. And with the right partner, all of these aspects can be achievable.
We've seen in the last 2 years how rapidly the technology can advance or essentially bring disruptive change to the way we typically do things. So it's important to kind of upskill and reskill in order to leverage the new technology to unlock the outcomes that you're looking for. Marrying kind of the business need to data that's available in a reliable and ethical way, I think is going to have the largest impact on what we focus on and how we address our approach to doing business.
How data and analytics can drive business value primarily depends on the context of your organization and what value you're aiming to drive. So I do believe that that is a very important aspect when you are undertaking any type of initiative, whether it's an analytics initiative, an AI initiative. You should have that understanding of the value. So that's a key standout that across all speakers, this is something that everyone is delving into and everyone is looking to understand.
A lot of organizations need to have data-driven processes embedded in their organizations. Driving things like data architecture, data governance, those are becoming critical now because people are realizing that data challenges are not just the responsibility of the data warehouse team. And to thrive in this industry or in this space, especially in the data space, you really need to be somebody who gets excited about change and embraces it. AI has done something great for the industry. What it's done is it's made a lot of people excited about data again. But what people are realizing is that if you want accurate, predictive AI models, you really need to have high quality data at the back end.
I think the move to cloud has really, I suppose, opened everybody's eyes to the vast amount of data that was in there. It's no longer confined to one group who has access to everything. We're now democratizing data, giving more people access to it. And I think that that's really exciting because, you know, data in the hands of a few making those decisions is never as impactful as data in the hands of many. And you never know what insights people can come up with, both in the areas of AI, but also advanced analytics and just, you know, business intelligence reporting. This is such an amazing community, and I really value coming to these events because of the ideas that are shared, both in the panels and in the speakers' presentations, but also in just chatting to colleagues over a cup of tea, understanding what people are working on, to share with each other, to share knowledge with each other, and to learn from each other. Because it's not a huge market, but I think it is quite a progressive one.